Nagpaalala naman ang isang immigration consultant hinggil sa kahalagahan ng malinis na record sa Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada o IRCC. Higit 2 milyong permits ang inaasahang mapapaso sa taong 2025 at 2026. Mahalaga raw maintindihan kung sino ang dapat mag-apply ng restoration ng status. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Essentially, we call it as a second chance. Now, if someone is losing their temporary resident status,
70 araw ang palugit para ma-restore ang status ng mga inabot na ng pagkapaso ng work permit o study permit. Paalala ng immigration consultant na si Geraldine Vallarayil, bawal magtrabaho o mag-aral habang nasa proseso ng restoration.
the keyword here is because nawalan ka na ng status, you don't have the worker status, you don't have the student status, kaya kailangan partneran or sabayan mo yan ng restoration of your status for you technically to legally stay here in Canada. Even if you have a work permit application ongoing, you cannot work. If you're in restoration, you must stop working, you must stop studying.
Walang garantiya na aaprubahan ng Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada o IRCC ang restoration. Mahalaga raw na kung gagawin ito, may malinaw na naghihintay para malaki ang tsansang mapalawig ang pananatili sa bansa.
Pero kung wala ka talagang, let us say, plan na mag-stay or you don't see the end na makakapag-work uli or you're not planning to study, no, or stay longer in Canada, my best advice is as soon as you receive the refusal of your application, you must live within the 30 days na ma-receive mo yung refusal. What IRCC is saying, you can restore your status if there's an employer who's offering you, for example, an LMIA, or you see yourself transitioning to student, or you would like to stay longer here in Canada as a visitor, then that 90 days will be used to restore your status.
Sa government website ng Canada, kailangan ng umalis ng bansa kung higit 70 araw na ang lumipas mula nang mapaso ang status at di nag-apply ng restoration. Maaari raw mag-apply muli sa labas ng Canada kung gustong bumalik. Sa datos ng IRCC, higit 2 milyong permits noong 2025 at ngayong 2026 ang nakatakdang mapaso sa pagtatapos ng taon. Ayon kay Vallarayil, mahalaga na di lumabag sa polisiya ng bansa kung may balak na bumalik.
May mark na yan sa immigration. Now, for your future application, IRCC officer, immigration officer can easily see your history of staying in Canada. O wala tayong itatago sa immigration.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.